Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thank you for stopping by for yet another video. Now, in today's video, I want to take a look at the Jamaica Constabulary Force, its function, and how to identify the ranks of its members. So let's talk a bit about the JCF. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is the official police force of Jamaica, which was founded in 1716, and it falls under the authority of the Ministry of National Security. The Jamaica Constabulary Force mission is to serve, protect, and reassure with courtesy, integrity, and respect for the rights of all. Its strategic vision is to become a high-quality professional service that is valued and trusted by all the citizens of Jamaica. And its value statement is a commitment to improve the quality of its service delivery and the satisfaction of its internal and external customers. Here, the internal customers are its members and employees, while the external customers are the citizens. Jamaica Constabulary Force is a noble organization, and if you have interest in joining, there is a link in the description to one of my previous videos in which I walk you through the process and requirements you need to join. Now, the role of the JCF is to maintain law and order, to assist in the prevention and detection of crime, to investigate alleged crimes, to protect life and property, to enforce all criminal laws as defined by the Jamaican Penal Code, and to provide general assistance to the public. There are some career options in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, such as forensic science, fraud investigation, intelligence gathering and analysis, investigation of serious and organized crime, and legal services. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is a rank-structured organization ranging from district constable to the highest rank, which is the Commissioner of Police, and the salary scales according to your rank. So academic achievements does help with reaching the top rank much quicker. Let's dive into the rank of the JCF. To identify each rank, you have to take a look at either the uniform or the insignia displayed on the right shoulder or the shoulder straps. So for a district constable, it's the uniform and the shoulder flash that reads DC. This is displayed on both shoulders. As for the regular police, the rank begins at constable. You can identify a constable by the uniform and shoulder flash with the letters JCF on it. This is displayed on both shoulders. The next rank is corporal, and corporals has two stripes on the right shoulder. There was once a rank of acting corporal, but it has since been abolished. So the next rank after corporal is the sergeant. The sergeant has three stripes on the right shoulder. Then there is the inspector, and the inspector has two metal bars on each shoulder strap. From the rank of district constable to inspector, these ranks are called non-gazetted ranks. However, from the rank of corporal to inspector, these ranks are considered middle managers. They take on leadership roles, which gives them responsibility for the care, deployment, and conduct of officers under their supervision, as well as to assist with shift briefing and guiding members with the performance of their duties. And there are a few other responsibilities that they have to deal with as well. So this is just a few. So for the gazetted ranks, those are managerial positions. All the ranks I am going to list from here on out are all gazetted ranks. Now, the rank after inspector is the assistant superintendent of police. They wear 2 stars on each shoulder strap. The rank is reserved for officers who take the accelerated promotional exam. So these are sergeants who did the promotional exam, accelerated promotional exam, and they get promoted. So this rank is where they are promoted to. Next is the deputy superintendent of police, that is a DSP, and the DSP has 3 stars on each shoulder strap, and the rank above that is superintendent, who has a crown on each shoulder strap. The superintendent is outranked by the senior superintendent of police, who has 1 crown and 1 star on each shoulder strap. And above that, there is the assistant commissioner of police, that's the ACP, and the ACP has 1 laurel wreath on each shoulder strap. And the penultimate rank is the deputy commissioner of police, who wears 1 laurel wreath and 2 stars on each shoulder strap. And the last but certainly not least is the top brass, the one above all in terms of ranks in the JCF, is the one and only commissioner of police. And the commissioner of police has 1 laurel wreath and 1 crown on each shoulder strap. The commissioner of police has overall responsibility of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and its members. The commissioner is responsible for enhancing public security, improving public order through policies, as also to see to the reduction of corruption and improvement of management and accountability within the force. So that's the rank structure of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and a brief look into its function. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to hit that like button, leave a comment in the comment section, and share the video among your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the post notification bell so that you don't miss any new content that I upload. If there's anything that you wish to clarify, you can leave a comment in the comment section below and I will address it. Until next time, have a great day.